Hey guys, are you tired of buying wall charger cords? Are they breaking on you? Are they sorting out your phone? Are you tired of getting them lost and just want to keep one in your bag and one at home? Do you want to be able to grab your charger? Or you just want to just grab your phone and actually just get up and go? Well, we got a solution here for you. A wireless charger stand by Samsung. Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. RJ Everett Vlogs. Today we are reviewing the wireless charging stand, and it's by a Samsung. So far it comes with the stand itself, as you can see, the little wireless docking station, and it comes with the plug, adaptive fast charging plug adapter. It comes with the cable for the phone to charge your device, and it's a USB-C charging cable, and it comes with a quick start guide. In the guide, it shows a few things. A, which is the charging surface, which is this whole back end. That's the charging surface. The charging coils are right here in the center, right here and right here. That's your charging coils. And then your stand right here, and then you got your indicator light, which is right at the bottom, right here, at the next to the stand. As you can see right here, you see the base right here in this notch at the bottom. You'll see the charging light, and then you got a fan, which is in back here. As you see the grooves back here, you see these grooves. Those are the grooves. That's where the fan is located, and in the charging port back here, which is a USB-C. You can set your phone straight up, or you can set it sideways, and that should actually charge your device perfectly clear. Let me know if y'all like this stand. I will do later a part 2 to this, indicating to see how the status is and how it works, how it performs, and everything else. I'll see you guys on the part 2 later on. Please make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notification, and like this video, guys. I will see you guys next time. Peace!